So your cargo. Not my cargo, it's their cargo. So I can speak while they're
All, and I should thank first Rakesh for selecting our startup. Along with that, we have one of the founders, director Sanjay. Uh, Thanks. I'm with them for past 4 months. Most of the mentors I met here. Here we are going to introduce your cargo, and it's me just taking a cargo to your doorstep in the next few days. So I want to just explain how it happens. And we have a mission for your cargo, that is, we want to be the paperless logistics solution provider, and we want to be a red bus of cargo. An aggregator of cargo, like whenever people wants to choose anything, they can choose it. So this is our vision, and you can see the problem here. We have two solutions here. In India, logistics companies transport goods from place to place where 30% of the trucks go on empty and remaining 70% is fed. So this problem exists across the country where most of the logistic companies really suffer to it. So we want to solve this problem. And other parties, whenever we want to parcel a goods from a place to place, we need to find out the nearest logistics provider and try to see who will take it forward. And in order to choosing them, there is another issue which we are going to solve. So how we solve? We have two models here. One is a P2P model and a B2C. B2B model, like a person who is having a Samsung stockist who have a lot of TVs who want to transport to nearby location like a Bangalore or a Rajahmundry or Visakhapatnam. He has a lot of problem in moving it. So how it happens is he can use a Your Cargo interface, select which location to which location, and he will find which are the trucks which are half empty or 20% empty, where he can put the stock into there and get a good price and transport the goods. The other B2C model where we solve is, it's pretty clear. We standing there want to send a gift to any of our house, or a father, we want to send one gift on his birthday. So generally we go to the nearest person, transports through a bus and try to transport it to the location. Or else we try to do it going to a nearest courier person and give it for a courier where he transports it. Now what we do is we will create a complete mobile interface to you where you can choose the location and just ask for a pickup. Nearest courier person will come to your house, pick up the courier, deliver it, which enables you to track where it is and when it is getting delivered, and at a very reasonable price where different logistics companies will provide different prices. You can choose the time and the price which is effective for you and comfortable for you to transport. Next, what are the revenue models existing with us? In order to make this whole functional, we have 4 revenue models. First is the business segment, where a distributor like a Samsung or a Seat Tires will use our product, where he will transport the goods at a much reasonable price by selecting the cargo person who has a half truck going empty. For the transaction, we charge 2% from the logistics company. And this is an enterprise solution where we enable our solution to run the day-to-day operations of all the logistics companies. So this logistics company, in order to run his day-to-day operation, use my solution, where we charge them less than a rupee per transaction. And the third business model is customers who come on to yourcargo.in to book a cargo or to give a logistics solution to parcel a product from a place to place. We charge 10% to the logistics company who provides this solution. The third is an API. We want to generate an API with Your Cargo, which is transmitted to other retail travel portals where people can use this interface and enable cargo booking on their platform also. And our go-to-market strategy is initially we want to target the bus cargo and small to medium-sized logistics companies. And initially we want to target AP and Karnataka, and by this June we want to have at least 40 companies who will use our Your Cargo solution to run their day-to-day logistics solution. And phase 2, we want to introduce the Your Cargo business segment, adding at least 10 businesses by April. And we want to introduce the mobile version of Your Cargo by May this month. We have 2 competitors here. One company name is called Parcel, other is HipShip. Parcel offers the services where they will come to your home and pick up the service, but they are not aggregators. They have their own personnel to pick up your parcel and deliver it. The other is HipShip. HipShip does do transportation on their own. Apart from that, they aggregate with 2 providers, but they exist in only large metros. And where we are, we have finished our enterprise solution. We have already given this solution to 3 guys. One is Praveen Cargo from Bangalore, other is Goa Cargo from Maharashtra, and we have KSR Cargo and Kaleshwari from Vijayawada. And what is our activity plan? Q4 we have launched with Praveen Cargo, and this Q1 we have added 3 companies which is about to be deployed, and we want to launch our Android app in Q2 along with 10 businesses being added for aggregation. Q3 we want to increase the existing businesses about 50 so that the aggregation becomes easier on a B2B. Q4 we want to launch our B2C platform, and an Android app to the users for B2C will be coming on Q1 next year. And this is our plan for the next 1 year. So we want the fourth quarter to be 150 operators coming onto our platform with a minimum of 30,000 transactions happening on a daily basis. So these are our projections. So 2016 ending, we are planning to have at least 150 cargo companies coming onto our platform. And 2017 we are planning for 1,000 cargo companies. And this is for the year of 150 cargo companies which we decided, and 30,000 transactions which we are accepting per day. And this is how it is. 16, 17 is 150, and 17, 18 we are planning for 1,000 companies into the structure. And 18, 19 we are expecting 3,000 cargo companies to be using our ERP solution. And these are the transactions and the revenue model. So initial revenues we will be getting is quite amount of less, where we will be earning only 5 million, where there will be a lot of expenses that are not factored yet. On a B2C segment, we are going to plan the B2C segment from 16, 17, and 17, 18, and 18, 19. So we are planning for a transactions of nearly 30,000 transactions per day on a B2C segment. The sales in volume coming to somewhere around 131 million on 18, 19. And this is the breakup. So next coming year, we will be planning for 6.57 million revenue. We have not included the cost. After cost included, we might be somewhere into the negative, because going on to such a fast expansion, there would be a lot of costs incurred into it. And the whole market of road transportation is approximately 15,000 crores. We arrived at this 15,000 crores based on 2 things. There are 8,000 logistics companies existing across the country, which are not automated. So if we capture at least 4,000 of these logistics companies in this 15,000 crore market, so initial target would be somewhere around 7,500 crores, which we want to give our enterprise solution and initially book it up to the next stage. And we have 2 advisors, Mr. Venki Rao and Mr. Srinivas Chelkuri, and making this a paperless logistics solution in the coming future when B2C really comes, where you will come to your home and use a Waze sensor, have your booking done, and tracked everything automated. We require IoT and other things. And being globally fleet management solutions properly installed for IoT, we require his help a lot. Mr. Chelkuri will be helping us to go ahead to the next stage. And we are a team of 3, me, Vijay Pudipareddy, Pratibha, and Prasad. Pratibha and me are working right from our ICICI Times, and we are part here from the past 5 years in the system. She is a co-founder of Ticket Engine, into it from the past 5 years, and it's a very good revenue earning company. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Any questions?
Questions? Questions? You have a question?
Can you give a little bit more information on the advisors that you have? What do they do?
Yes. Mr. Venki Rao is a country head for Cisco, ex-country head for Cisco. He is presently B2 Online company MD, and he is a mentor. Okay. Mr. Srinivas Chelkuri is MD for FlexI company. They are into IoT technologies.
Anyone from logistics?
Logistics, we have a director from Flipkart who is coming here. So, but the problem is he's sitting in Mumbai. He asked us 48 hours time to revert. We are still waiting for his revert.
Just one more. You said there are about 8,000 truck companies or logistics. Do you talk to anyone just to test the market with your solution?
Basically, I want to remind one thing. We started our entrepreneurial journey in 2011, and we are a fleet management solutions company called TicketEngine.in. We already have 50 bus operators on the system. We share our API with all retail portals like Redbus, Avibus, Paytm, everybody. They use our inventory. And we have a real-time API, a JSON API running onto the system, and background a fleet management solution used by bus operators in 5 states. And we launched this product 1 year back, and we're fastly growing. Since we are into the travel industry from past 5 years, it gives us a little good benchmark in understanding the logistic business existing across. Because most of these bus operators who are running, they use the cargo also. And we know how many cargo operators are existing, how it is operating. If we go back to 10 years, nobody expected that bus ticketing would be online. The same way, the cargo, whatever we are doing, nothing is online. For example, if I personally want to send a cargo, if I'll go to DTDC, send it for Mumbai, he charged me $150, go to the next point, ask for the same Mumbai, they will charge you only $50. Because there is no standardization of the pricing. They sell it on a leaf-wise basis. Because we don't know how much it costs from a place to place. It depends on operator to operator. There is no standardization onto the system.
So probably to answer what you're saying, do they have the subject matter expertise? Yes, they do, because they have been in industry for a while.
But the main thing I see is your USP is the aggregation, right?
Aggregation,
Which
right.
nobody is doing right now.
Nobody is
Right.
doing.
So just trying to figure out, if you tested the market, did you talk to any of the logistics guys to see if this something that they're excited
They
about?
already have one
Yes,
guy
right.
who's on board.
Yes, we have one guy called Praveen Karku who is on board. What we do is, whenever we bring the logistics guy online, we build a complete sophisticated website to him. We enable the online booking to him, back and give a price change option. We enable his branch logins to be added to all the branches. We analyze give the analytics to him, which branch is costing what. We generate LR numbers, we send them the SMS. Whole enterprise solution will give it at the back end.
Any revenues right now?
Revenues are nil. 1st of the March, we are having 3 operators getting on live. That is Goa Cargo and Praveen Cargo and KSR Cargo. All the websites has been created. Initially, when we launched to Praveen Cargo, he wanted changes to be done on the interface because the first booking took 5 minutes. He wanted to done it in 2 minutes. We changed it to 2 minutes and delivered it to him. All the branches are added. He has 15 branches across the country.
You have a question?
You started operations or you not started operations?
Started operations.
So when did you start operations?
Started operations 15 days back.
Okay.
This product is building in the Founder Institute. We worked for four months completely on the restructuring it. Earlier, our revenue model is whoever the cargo company is using our solution, we thought of charging 2% on the total bill. Then they thought that 2% is very high. Then we moved on to the transaction model, where per transaction we charge them 1 rupee.
Okay.
For businesses using our solution, we charge 2%, B2C is 10%, then we redirect everything and again restarted it.
Okay.
We have 600 operators in AP and Karnataka. Initially, we are targeting 40 operators who would be completed by this June. We have the whole list and marketing team ready.
Time for the verdict. Blues and greens, no reds. Right? I already see. Let me count at least. Come on. You may change your mind while I count 1, 2, 3. Right? So it's 1 and 2 and 3. Let's see. Any feedback for them? Any feedback? Anybody? No? Good. All the best. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That's it.